Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial and share with you how I have created some cheap but decorative pen storage. I have gone through different variations of pen storage, from having it out of my desk to having proper storage to just using what I do now to putting it in a drawer, and if it's in a drawer I don't use it. That's what I've discovered. So what I'm going to do, you know that I don't like to spend money on things. So this is literally just packaging with some vinyl on it. It looks kind of pretty though, right? I will insert some footage here of it on my shelf. But this is literally Trader Joe's crispy jalapeno pieces. You just clear it out, like wash it, give it a good wash, get rid of all the oils, and you're good. And all I did was I took Dollar Tree vinyl. This is the kitchen shelf liner. Yes, this is kitchen shelf liner. Is it fantastically fantastic? No, because the white does show through a little bit. You could, if you wanted to, paint this in white. Honestly, for me, that's just a step too many. That's just a step too many. So I have some of the vinyl here. Now you get a huge roll of it. I've already used this for many projects, but you get a huge roll of it for $1.25. This is in the kitchen section. So in the kitchen with all the kitchen utensils, that's where this is. You could, if you wanted to, just paint this with paints, let your kids have at it, and you're good. What I'm going to do is show you what I am going to do here, which is take my vinyl. This is the leftovers of doing this one. I'm going to take my vinyl, figure out where I want to mark it to. So I'm just kind of eyeballing where that is. I'm not measuring anything, and you could if you wanted to. I am not about that life. I am not about that life. Of course, now this is black on black and I can't see. And it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not, right? This is what we have to let go of. We have to let go of the perfection. And then what I did with this one, to avoid any gaps on the edge, literally just take a black marker, color in the edge. Again, if you wanted to, you could paint, just use some acrylic paint and paint the tub. I'm doing that on the top and the bottom. And you can see here, I'm not being super exact about it. And then this one is not as good as the other one. Oh, and here's the good thing. It's removable. It is removable. Apologies for the squeaking in the background. So if you stuff up, don't panic. You can just remove it and try again. As long as you get the removable stuff, clearly. And then if you want to tidy it up, you can just come in with your slice tool, tidy up the bits extra there, and then do the same on the top. Just run your tip of your finger around it. You could use a ruler if you wanted to. And that is that. Now, if I wanted the silver on here, because some of it has worn away, all I have to do is get my paint pen, my silver paint pen, or I could use black. Black would have probably looked nice as well, actually. And just touch up where the silver was. And then pop all of my pens in. But now it looks much nicer than this. Than this. So yeah, okay. Do not overlook this at the Dollar Tree. I have a whole video on uses for it in your planner. You can see that here. Popping in with another little tip for the end here. If you have offcuts like this and you're like, that's not going to fit. This is a second little tip. I'm just going to put this separate, but if you have a little extra, this is the leftovers from those previous two. But as I look at it, that's not going to fit, right? There's going to be a gap here. I'm going to cut some of the black so that it's two-tone. Now this is not removable, so I have to be careful where I put this. Now because I've got the bottom here, I'm just going to do the top. I think we're going to do that edge. That looks much nicer. And this is one that I did just with the vinyl, using the holographic and the black, just to be a bit jazzy. This could probably just do with like metallic pens. You could even color code them, right? Spice up your pen storage. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.